What is going on, YouTube? My name is Joe. You're watching my variety channel, and today I've got an eBay unboxing. This came from overseas. This came from Germany. So here it is. Ah, that opened easily. Oh, yeah. Eine DVD von VeggieTales, der Sumo Star. Here's the front, here's the side, and here's the back. Bonus Material und der Silly Song Schulhauspolka. Let's see if I can get this open. I'll use Granddaddy's pocket knife for this. That's the smallest blade, but it works. Okay. So yeah, I have the German release of Sumo of the Opera. And I got the plastic off. And now, here's the disc itself. Wow. Jetzt auf DVD Sherlock Holmes und das goldene Maß und Larry Boy und der Borsapfel. Und der Kapitel. So here it is. Sorry it's kind of short, but hopefully soon I'll be able to give y'all a new unboxing in the future. We'll see. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. And until my next one, keep your feet on the ground and keep reaching for the stars.